Hi everyone, this is Mr. Held and I'm actually going to be teaching math this week. This is the first math video for the week of April 20th through April 24th. And this is the first part of a 2-video series. In this video, we are going to be learning about decomposing the number 10. We're going to break the number 10 up into 2 different parts. And both of those parts will combine to equal the number 10. So we're going to do a couple activities. I'm going to do some teaching. You're going to do some learning with me. And then I'm going to send you off to do your own activity to prove to all of the teachers that you did your learning for the week. That activity is going to be uploaded to Class Dojo. So without further ado, what we're going to get into is the Icann statement. So say this Icann statement right after I say it, and then we can say it together. So, repeat after me. I can decompose the number 10. Alright, let's try to say it together. I can decompose the number 10. Okay, now I am going to teach you how I want you to decompose the number 10. The first thing that we need to do is we need to see what number we are starting with. We start with 2 trucks. And now we need to count on until we get to 10 and then see how many we added. In this example, we started with 2 trucks. Now what we need to do, and you can use your fingers because you have 10 fingers, you need to count on to get to the number 10. Then you need to remember how many you added to get to that number 10. So if you started with 2, you need to count on like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, I already started with these 2 fingers, so I can put them down. And as you can see, I have 8 fingers left. So 8 is my answer. I'm going to show you this with another visual representation using the trucks that we were just looking at. So let's count on from 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we need to stop. We got to 10. So, after we counted on from 2, how many trucks did we add? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I counted them. There was 8. So look, if we have 2 trucks and then 8 trucks on the other side, we have 10 trucks in all. Let's see if we're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay, awesome. So, in total, after I put 2 trucks and 8 trucks together, I got 10 trucks. So I made 10. Awesome. So 2 plus 8 equals 10. I'm going to read that one more time. 2 plus 8 equals 10. So for this problem, our answer is actually 8 because we knew that we were going to make 10. But we needed to see what number went with 2 to get 10. Now I'm going to show you another example of making 10, but this time I'm going to use train cars. Now remember, Mr. Held is teaching you the strategy to make 10. You are not expected to do this work. So I'm going to count how many trains I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I have 5 trains to start out with. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to count on. So I'm going to count on from 5 here. So I'm going to start 5, 6, watch me, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I've got to 10, so now I need to stop. Okay, I'm going to draw a quick line to show you the original trains that I had and the new trains. So there's a line. So everything that you see over on the right side, those are my new trains. So I'm going to count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it looks like I added 5 trains when I was counting on. And that's how I made 10. And now I know that 5 plus 5 equals the number 10. I'm going to count to make sure though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, there's 10. So I made 5 plus 5 equals 10. Alright, so now it's time to do it together. For this part of the video, I want you speaking and doing the work with Mr. Held. We're going to both do it together on the screen. And you can say the numbers along with me and practice crossing and counting on and practice making 10 with me. Okay, so first we need to count the tigers. How many more tigers do we need to make 10? So first, let's count the tigers, and I'm going to cross and count, and you can cross and count with me, because we need to make 10, but we don't have 10 tigers. Let's see how many tigers we have. Let's cross and count them together. 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4, keep counting with me, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many tigers do we have? That's right, we have 9. But we need to make 10. So we're going to have to count on from 9 to make 10. So let's draw another little tiger here. Because we have 9, let's count on what number comes after 9. Let's draw a tiger. 10. So we don't have 9 tigers anymore. I drew another one on there. So let's count. 9, 10. Let's cross out the 9. And we have 10. So how many tigers did I add to make 10? Did I add 3? No. Did I add 7? No. Did I add 1? Yes. So, because I added 1 to make 10, our answer is 1. Let's do another one. Let's count the oranges. How many more oranges do you need to make 10? Okay, let's do this together. The first thing that we need to do is we need to cross out the oranges. So let's cross them out and count. 1, 2, 3. So how many oranges did we start with? Yeah, 3. We have 3 oranges. So we need to figure out how many more we need to add to make 10. So let's count on from 3. 3, 4, 5, count with me, 6, 7 oranges, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so let's count all the oranges that we added when we counted on to make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We added 7 oranges to make 10. So we don't have 3 oranges anymore. Now we have 10. So did we add 5 oranges? No. Did we add 1 orange? Or did we add 7? What do you think? That's right. Great job. We added 7. Grapes. Count the grapes. How many more grapes do you need to make 10? The first thing that we're going to do, what are we going to do? We're going to count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we started with 6 grapes. We need to count on and add some more grapes to make 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many did we add? 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't have 6 anymore. Now we have 10. And we added those 4 grapes. So did we add 2? No. Did we add 9? No, we added 4. Alright, so here are the 2 problems that I need you to complete for your assignment. Let's take a look at these 2 problems. Once you figure them out and draw pictures and upload them to Class Dojo in your portfolio, me, the rest of the teachers in the kindergarten team, and some people from the school will check it and will talk to you about the work that you did. Awesome. Let's check out the problems right now. So, the first problem is count the bowls. How many more bowls do you need to make 10? So what you're going to need to do is figure out how many bowls you started off with. You're going to need to draw some more bowls. Keep on counting on until you make 10. And you're going to need to tell me, how many bowls did you add in order to make 10? The next problem is about batteries. It's count the batteries. How many more batteries do you need to make 10? So again, you're going to need to see how many batteries you started with. Then you're going to need to count on. Add some more batteries until you make 10. Then what you need to tell me is how many batteries you added to make 10. I am really looking forward to seeing your work. Remember, when you are done, make sure to upload it to Class Dojo so I can see your work. Oh, we have a visitor here. I did not plan this. Alright, bye-bye.